I hate to have to go back to the previous conversation that the attorneys were talking about.
Sure.
And back to health care and the facilities that provide those facilities. Isn't there a check and balance that the state or government would monitor to make sure that they require, they are up to date with what they need to do to support the people who are in the healthcare facilities?
Ron, I appreciate your call. There are government regulations that touch upon about every area of work that we do. There's government regulations that deal with the road. There's government regulations that deal with refineries, plants, working conditions, nursing homes. But as you know, you can have all the laws on the books. It's just a matter of compliance. Do you have a corporation that's committed to following the law? And let me tell you, I'm very proud of the work that we as lawyers do, because many times government is unable to properly monitor things that happen, including care that happens at nursing homes. We, many times, because we're investing our time and energy and resources into it, we're able to do things that the government can't do to hold corporations accountable. So I think we play a more important role than even some of the government agencies that are tasked with this responsibility.
I agree with that. There's no way the government can regulate every single thing, but the civil justice system itself is a form of regulation that keeps the public safe.
And Lynn, that's why when you get into this campaign season, people attack the trial lawyers. And let me tell you, they do it because they know if it wasn't for lawyers, they would get free reign to operate their businesses with as little staff as possible, with as little as compliance as possible, with paying people as little as possible. And so I take it personal, and I don't mind. When they do that, I know we're doing something right, and I don't shy away from the work that we do either. And I know Champ doesn't.